Don't get me wrong. Features, benefit, and price, of course these things matter. Customers want to be wowed by these things. Features, benefit, and price, that can sell one product one time. But that does not build a community. For today's customers, they're looking for more. They want to bond with a brand. They want to join a cause. They want to be part of a movement. When you lean into storytelling, you have the ability to build so much more than just a brand. You have the ability to create a community that your customer wants to be a part of. It's Thanksgiving. You're sitting back in your favorite chair and you hear that voice. Can somebody help me with the turkey? So you hustle on over, and there it is. That beautiful Kenmore stove. You open it up, and there's that beautiful Thanksgiving turkey. Thermometer is popped, so you put on the pot holders and you pull that turkey out of the oven. And it's hot, and the top of the stove is packed. There's the green beans, the mashed potatoes. Ooh, that gravy is starting to bubble. And meanwhile, on the other side of the kitchen, your mom is arguing with Uncle Frank about something that took place 25 years ago. And you've got this turkey, and it's hot, and it's heavy, and you got to put it down somewhere. So for a brief second, you rest it on that open oven door. And congratulations, you've just discovered the design flaw on that Kenmore stove. Because that big bird is too big for that oven door. And boom, it rips right out of the wall. Not only have you just ruined Thanksgiving, you might have just burnt your house down. The Kenmore stove debacle ends up costing Sears over $500 million. But worse than that, it shows that their brand story is pure fiction. Quality products guaranteed? That's not Sears anymore. Creating a community has been part of human existence for thousands of years. But right now, our communities are frayed. We're not connected. And that's a problem, because we are crying out for that connection. Isn't that why we're all here today? Don't you want to be part of something bigger than just yourselves? Let's do it. Let's build that tribe. Let's build that community. We can do that with our brands, and the way that you do it is through storytelling.